Hey dummy, what's going on? Trying to figure out how to connect kick alerts to Lumia? Well, sit down, shut up, and pay attention. If you haven't already, please make sure you check out our other videos on how to connect kick to Lumia and how to create an overlay. You're going to need to do both before we proceed, so pause here and go watch them. The links are in the description. Once your two brain cells have figured out how to do that, we're going to head on over to the overlay section and select the overlay that we made previously. Select Add Layer, then click Alerts, and then click the Alert button. Move and resize it how you'd like to fit it on your screen. And now we're going to edit it. You can set the name so that you easily remember. We're going to click Manage Alert, and in the new pop-up window, we're going to click the Manage Alerts tab. This is going to allow us to select the different alert types that we're going to want on this overlay. Go ahead and select the kick alerts you'd like to add. Typing kick at the top will make things a little bit easier. I'm going to show you how to do kick followers, but you can add multiple at once so that you can set them up all at the same time. What do? We always click Save. Now we get to customize each of the alerts how we want them. Click on Kick Follower and go ahead and change the text to whatever you'd like it to say. A preview of your alert will show up on the left-hand side. You can use different variables within the message. Then you can set up a video or image, add audio, and change the layout to something you'd like, whether you'd like the text below, behind, in front, beside, or no text at all. You could adjust the height of the text and where it sits on the screen, as well as the style and any animations you'd like to add as well. You can change the fonts, font size, as well as the font weight. You can add animations in or out, or during, and then always make sure to click Save. Again, up at the top, click Save. Once you've saved it all, click the Emulate button in the bottom left, click Alert, and then search for Kick, and click Kick Follower to test your alert. If you see your alert pop up in the window, you've successfully added it correctly. Congratulations, dummy, you've completed another Lumia how-to. Pat yourself on the back. If you like this video, smash that like and subscribe button and make sure to swing through our page to check out our other how-to videos for Lumia streams.